Machine Gun Kelly does not miss a beat when it comes to girlfriend Megan Fox. The actor shared a series of snapshots on Instagram this week of her flirty errand running ensemble, quipping to fans in the caption that the neon bodysuit that prominently features her underboob is what she wears to go Errands, a trendy grocery store in Los Angeles. In the images, fans can see Fox's phone lock screen, which features Machine Gun Kelly smiling in a plaid red kilt. Clearly thrilled to see himself in the photos, the artist, whose birth name is Colson Baker, responded to the post by asking Fox what aisle she'd be in while shopping at Errands and remarking that he liked her lock screen. Based on this serious PDA, looks like the couple, who has been together since last year, is absolutely thriving.